like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here at Horsley Hill and there's a small restaurant that is the AP Tourism restaurant that is behind there, and you need to check out this view. The hills is around 30 kilometers from Madanapalli, and if you're coming to Madanapalli from Hyderabad, it is around 560 to 600 kilometers. And that's what the ride that you have seen. It's more like a hill station which is only for around 30 to 40 kilometers from the base, which leads to all the canyons that you have seen. And let's go to another location, and that is a rock, and let's see how the vlog unfolds. Thank you. So guys, this is the rock that I was talking about. This is called as Galikonda, and as you can see, there is nothing actually that you can see. I'm covered in full dense fog, and the visibility is barely few meters. There's a small hill station. For transportation to come to this place is via two-wheeler, and also the best time would be certainly after the rainy season.